The title is Basic First Aid for Cuts and Scrapes. The introduction is accidents can happen anytime, and knowing how to provide basic first aid for cuts and scrapes is essential. Immediate care can prevent infection and promote quick healing. The materials and tools is number 1, clean cold or sterile gauze pads, number 2, antiseptic solution or wipes, number 3, adhesive bandages, number 4, medical tape, number 5, disposable gloves. The safety precaution is the first. Before and after providing initial medical assistance, it is very important to clean your hands thoroughly. The second, if the cut is deep, bleeding heavily, or caused by a dirty object, seek professional medical help.
Step-by-step instruction. 1. Assess the situation. Make sure your own safety and that of the injured individual. Determine the extent of the cut or scrape. 2. Wash your hand. If available, put on disposable glove. To ensure proper hygiene, make sure to cleanse your hands meticulously using soap and water. 3. Control bleeding. If applicable, for minor bleeding, apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth or sterile gauze pad. Elevate the injured area if possible. 4. Clean the wound. Use an antiseptic solution or wipe to clean the wound gentle. To ensure debris removal, employ alcohol cleaner tweezer when dealing with is present. 5. Apply antiseptic. Apply a small amount of antiseptic solution to the wound to prevent infection. 6. Cover the bandage. Place an adhesive bandage over the cleaned wound. Ensure it fully covers the affected area. 7. Secure with tape. Use medical tape to secure the edges of the bandage in place. 8. Check and change dressing. Periodically check the wound for signs of infection or if the bandage becomes soiled. Change the bandage and repeat step 4 to 7 as needed.
The conclusion or final step is remember that minor cuts and scrapes usually heal on their own. If signs of infection, redness, swelling, and pus persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional. For the tips and notes is number 1, use adhesive bandages that match the size of the wound for better protection. Number 2, keep a first aid kit handy at home, in your car, or when traveling. Number 3, seek professional medical attention for deep or severe wounds, or if you are unsure how to treat an injury. The language features of procedure text tips are number 1, imperative sentences. For example, make sure your own safety and that of the injured individual. So, an imperative is a type of sentence that tells someone what to do, one of which is giving an order. Another example of an imperative sentence is determine the extent of the cut or scrape. And then, the second language features of procedure text tips are action verbs. For example, place, apply, put, use, and wipe. Action verbs are actions that show an activity, process, or ownership. Action verbs refer to an action either physical or mental performed by the subject, such as person, animal, or thing, in a sentence.
The next language feature is present tense. Present tense is one of the tense in English that show everything related to the present. This tense is used to express general facts, habits, or activities that are taking place at the moment or in the near future. An example in the procedural tips text is keep a first aid kit handy at home, in your car, or when traveling. The last language feature is adverb. Adverbs are a class of words that provide information about other words, such as verbs and adjectives, which are not nouns. Example in the text: at home, in your car, or traveling.